Hey friends, if you wish to enable the ultimate power plan on Windows, then please watch this video. So first of all, press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command powercfg.cpl and hit enter. You'll see the power plans here and a few of them are hidden, so you'll have to click on this download pointing arrow. Now you do not see this in my system because my system is managed by ASUS, but you will see it in your system if it is not managed by your brand. So we have a command line here. I will mention this command line in the description section of this video. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Click on yes and paste it here. Then hit enter. You'll read power scheme GUID and then the ultimate performance plan. And this plan will be displayed here now. If it doesn't, then restart your computer and you'll find it here upon expanding the list. You can use this plan. It is even higher performance than the higher performance plan, but it requires a lot of system resources. So I will suggest using it only if you connect your system to the power cable and do not use it on battery only. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.